Hi everyone, I'm Livella, marketing consultant, and today I want to talk to you about the difference between the money-making system, money-making schemes, and having and running an online business or a business, okay, an offline business. So, money-making schemes, I mean, by these words, I mean all the tricks and hacks to quickly make money online, quickly, surely, without effort, okay? Money schemes, okay? They are like, for example, drop shipping, for example, Ponzi scheme, for example, trading schemes, and every tricks you get in mind when you think about money-making schemes, okay? Selling junk on eBay, everything, okay? Because there are a lot of them. You can check it out if you, and I'm not advising them, you can check it out when you search in this platform how to make money online. You can find a lot of them. The problem, the issue with them is that they are too short term, are very short term things, okay? And you can make money from 1 month to 3-4 months, and then they're burned, okay? So there, for example, the drop shipping, for example, promoting and doing yourself scams, then I don't advise them, don't do them. Be legal in what you do in your business. And promoting scams, frauds, okay? And scheme, you can watch the advertising and you get the money. You build a website in which people land in it, pops out something, or in which you say, give me your telephone number and you will get a free iPhone to your house, okay? And then you subscribe those people, those idiots, to a subscription, for example, a ring notes, some subscription, and you make them charge, $10 a month, and you get them, okay? And this person don't even realize he's paying, okay, for 1 month, 3 months, and then you're burned, okay? Those are schemes. And also, for example, with Printful, I discovered one myself. I live in Europe, okay, and I was selling, yoga t-shirt with Printful. It's a platform, it's a print-on-demand platform. When you sponsor an advertisement campaign, you got the orders, and then Printful print the t-shirt or the yoga pants or whatever that is, and they sell them, okay? And you get a small little commission on this. It is a stupid thing to do, but I was doing this thing back in the days and I discovered that if I sell in Europe, I got the commission immediately, and then the t-shirt did not arrive for whatever reason. And you can contact them with Printful, you can call them, you can't email, because they simply don't answer to no one. So I could keep going on doing this thing, but this is not a very mindful thing, So another thing is that you have and run an online business. You sell products, you sell services online with your own business that you actually control, and you have control over your income and on what you do, on your revenue, okay? You got a sort of control. You do not control everything, of course, but you control a lot of this process, okay? Of the making process, making money process. You have a lot of control over it, okay? While in money making schemes, you don't have any control, you're just hoping that the thing could last forever, okay? That these tricks to quickly make money online, making $300, $500 a month, will never end, okay? And a lot of people think that you online can get rich by doing a lot of these things, okay? But you will not reach it. Okay, so, and a lot of these schemes are Ponzi and frauds, Ponzi schemes and frauds, so avoid them, don't do them, because if they will discover that you are making the Ponzi scheme, you will go in jail as soon as you don't even believe it, okay? As soon as you recognize it. So don't do it. And you know, another difference between the many money schemes and running an online business is that with money making system, you are in a danger because it's a short-term thing. It could last for 1 month, it could last for 3 months, for 6 months, you know. But sooner or later, you will be burned. That thing will be burned. For example, trading schemes too. Okay, this is a making money system because, for example, in Italy too. 20 years ago, there was a very how can I say it? A very famous trading scheme that was on a particular stock of company called Tiscali. I don't even know if they all are still in business. I don't really know, but you can check it out. And the shares of this company went from 8 euros. Yeah, it was 10 years ago. From 8 euros to 13 euros, and then back to 8 euros, and then 13, 8, 13, 8. And a lot of people were actually making money on this thing, okay? Because they buy when the share was $8 and sell when it was 13, okay, euros. And they continue to do this thing, but sooner or later will end up, okay, gone forever and will not go back, will not be back. And so don't do many making money scheme because they are very short term. They last 1 month, 2 months, and they're gone, okay? Then you have to start all over again from scratch, from nothing. So don't do it. And of course you can make money with these tricks and schemes. Of course you can, but they will not last forever, and you don't have any control. And there's also, that nobody's talking about, a suicide problem, because when you start making a lot of money with these tricks and hacks, okay, there are always some frauds or gray area, you know. And when you start making, for example, 20K a month, okay, $20,000 a month with these schemes, and then you go back to zero, there's a suicide problem. The suicide is a possibility, okay? Because once you get the habit of receive $10,000 a month and you go back to zero, if you're not in jail, it's a big problem, because a lot of people suicide themselves, okay? So while having a business is a totally different thing, because you think long term. Okay, apply the short-term strategy about marketing, but you think about with a long-term mentality. When with a business, you are really building assets, okay? And you have a totally different mentality from the short-term mentality to the building asset mentality. Building assets, streams of revenue, okay? That last for a long time, okay? So as soon as you finish them, they will continue to feed you with cash, okay? This is a business. While making money scheme is much easier, is much faster, because having an online business, it takes a lot of time, of course, to get started. And I'm not talking about years, of course, if you apply the right marketing strategy, but it takes a while to go, okay? While with a making money scheme, you can start today, but in 3 months you will be broke or in jail, or both. I don't know, okay? And a problem is that with making money scheme, you have not stable income. You're not stable, you're not building an assets, okay? Because every 3 months you have to start all over from scratch, from zero, from nothing, okay? And this, believe me, that this will have a big impact on your personal life, because of course, imagine this situation that you have, this month you gain 1K, the next nothing, the next nothing, the next 3K, the next nothing, the next nothing, the next 2K. Okay, you have any sort of stability about income, about money, okay? And every week, every 3 months, you start all over again from a different niche, and you have to start a new thing, buy a new thing. Okay, you really don't have any sort of stability, while in business you have a lot of stability. Okay, for example, you have a stability given from the quality of your products, because if your products are good enough, people will continue to buy from you. And you also have a stability because you have some lists and you make people buy from them. So you have a stability given from the fact that you have a list and you can contact them, you can call them, you can call your list, your prospects, your customers, and ask and make them an offer of this or that, or a launch or whatever that is. But information about organizing a business and which list you should have in your own business are contained in my course, Digital Marketing for Baboons. So you can check it out up there or here. You can find a link, you can click it and you can check it out. Okay, so I'm not gonna say this information about the list for free, YouTube video. Okay, I'm not. I'll also subscribe to my channel, Livella Marketing Consulting. So final message for this video: do not do making money schemes, but start an online business. If you don't know how to do it, don't know anything about marketing, about how to monetize your service and products, click below. You can check it out, the course. Already said that. And don't be in the black or the gray zone, be in the white zone. Okay, everything you do must be total legally, okay, legally done. Please do not end up in jail. Okay, I'm Livella, marketing consultant. Bye bye.